kids, welcome to Hansini. In today's video, we will be learning chapter number 4, multiplication and division. If you want to see more such videos or my previous chapters, you can see the link below. Watch the video till end as you have worksheets to solve in between. Today's topic is division. You might be wondering, division is hard or easy? But there is a simple trick. To learn division, you must at least know the tables till 15 so that you can easily solve division and there is nothing hard for you. Now you all might be wondering why we have to study this division. When you will come to know that why division is necessary, it will be very interesting. Now let's see why we need division in our day-to-day life. The answer is very simple. You need division for sharing things. If you get a pocket money, then you need to know division as when you want to give some money to the shopkeeper or you want to buy something. How are you going to calculate how much money is left or how much money you have to give or how much you have to divide it? So for that you need to know division. Now if there is a cake you have and you have to share it with your friend. So how many pieces you need to cut off the cake? For that also you need division because you need to cut the food into proportion. So now you understood. Is it interesting? So now let's study what division means and how we have to solve the problems on division. The symbol which I am drawing here in the yellow color is the symbol to solve division. It is compulsory to draw this symbol while solving the division. Now can you see the pink color? I have written divisor. Now what is divisor? A number by which another number is to be divided is the divisor. The green color is the dividend, a number to be divided by another number. The red color is the quotient, the result obtained by dividing one number by another number. And the remaining number which we get as the answer is the remainder. And this whole process, the dividend, the divisor, the quotient, the remainder, this all is known as division. Now see here, this is the mathematics worksheet 1 which you have to solve in this video and let me know in the comments the answer. So now the question is, guess the circled part that it is quotient, dividend, divisor or remainder. In the first question, 842 is circled and 20 is circled. So you have to tell me the positions of these numbers, that whether it is dividend, divisor, quotient or remainder. Understood? Now let's see an example of how to solve the long division. Take the sum as 4254 divided by 25. In this question, 25 is the divisor and 4254 is the dividend. Now we will write 25 the divisor and 4254 the dividend. When we multiply the table of 25, we don't get 425 easily. So first we will divide it by 0. So we get the answer as 4. Now we will take that 2 down and I get the value as 42. Now in the rough work, I will write the table of 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, 25 sixes are 150, 25 sevens are 175, 25 eights are 200. We will find 42 in the 25's table. So it is not there, as 25 into 2 is 50, which is greater than 42. So we will take 25 ones are 25 as it is smaller than 42. So I write in the quotient 1 and I subtract it by 25. So I get the answer 17. Now I will take the 5 and I get the value as 175. Now search for 175 in 25's table. It is 25 sevens. So I get the remainder as 0. And I take down here 4. Don't forget to write the value in the quotient's place. I wrote 7. Now search for 4. You don't have 4, so you take 4 as the remainder. So now 25 is divisor, 170 is quotient and 4 is remainder. So write the final answer. Quotient is 170 and the remainder is 4. Now as you have seen the example of how to solve the division, now next worksheet. You have to write this division into the sum. That is 234 divided by 4 in the given format. Having fun while solving the worksheet and division? Let me know in the comment section below. Now we will solve problem set number 15. Question number 1 is 1284, that is 1284 divided by 32. 32 divided by 1284. First thing you have to do is always make a column for rough work. And you have to make this column of rough work in the right side of your paper or page or your notebook. So now you can see here, as it is divided by 32, so in the rough work column we will write the table of 32. 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 64, 32 threes are 96, 32 fours are 128, 32 fives are 160, 32 sixes are 192, 32 sevens are 224, 32 eights are 256, 32 nines are 288, and we all know 32 tens is 320. So now search for 128 in the 32's table. So you can see 32 4s is 128. So in the quotient's place we will write 4 and we will subtract it by 128. So we get the answer as 0. Now that 4 we have to take down. Now see, in the 32's table everything is greater than 4. So we will multiply it by 0. So 32 multiplied by 0 is 0. So in the quotient's place you have to write 0 and you have to subtract the 4 with 0. So you get the remainder as 4 and the quotient as 40. So 1284 divided by 32, that is the quotient is 40 and the remainder is 4. Now we will solve the second sum. $558 divided by 87. Make the division symbol. 87 divided by 5586. So now as you are dividing it by 87, I am making first the rough work column. RW is rough work. Now I will write the table of 87. So 87 ones are 87, 87 twos are 174, 87 threes are 261, 87 fours are 348, 87 fives are 435, 87 sixes are 522, 87 sevens are 609, 87 eights are 696, 87 nines are 783, and we know 87 tens is 870. Now search for 558 in the 87's table. So 906 is the upper limit. So we will take 87 sixes is 522 as 609 is greater than 558. So in the quotients place I have written 6 and I have subtracted 558 by 522. So I get the answer as 36. Now I will take down the 6 and I get the value as 366. Now search for 366, it's not there. But 87 fours is 348, which is less than 366. So in the quotients place we will write 4 and we will subtract 366 with 348. So I get the answer as 18. So here the quotient is 64 and the remainder is 18. So 5586 divided by 87, quotient is 64 and remainder is 18. Now let's see the third sum. (1207), that is 1207 divided by 27. First I will make the column for rough work. Here we are dividing 1207 by 27. So in the rough work I will write the table of 27. 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54, 27 threes are 81, 27 fours are 108, that is 108, 27 fives are 135, 27 sixes are 162, 27 sevens are 182, 27 eights are 216, 27 nines are 243 and 27 tens is 270. So here now we will search for 120 in the 27's table. 135 is greater than 120. So we will take 108. 27 fours are 108. So in the quotients place I have written 4 and I have subtracted 120 by 108. I get the answer as 12. I have taken down 7. So now again 135 is greater than 127. So I will take 108. Now in the quotients place I have written 4 and I have subtracted 127 by 108. Here I get the answer as 19. So the division is completed. I get the quotient as 44 and the remainder as 19. So 1207 divided by 27, the quotient is 44 and the remainder is 19. Now we will solve the fourth sum. 8543 divided by 41. So first I will draw the column for rough work, and here I will write the table of 41. So 41 ones are 41, 41 twos are 82, 41 threes are 123, 41 fours are 164, 41 fives are 205, 41 sixes are 246, 41 sevens are 287, 41 eights are 325, 41 nines are 369, and 41 tens is 410. Now I will write the division symbol. 41 divided by 8543. Now search for 854 in the 41's table. Not there, so we will take 2 digits. 85. So 85 is also not there. 123 is greater than 85. So we will take 82. 41 multiplied by 2 is 82. In the quotients place I will write 2 and I will subtract 85 by 82. I get the answer as 3. Now I will take down that 4. So I get the value as 34. But 41 is greater than 34. So I will multiply it by 0. 41 zeros are 0 and I will subtract it by 0. So in the quotients place I have written 0. I get the answer as 34 and that 3 I will take down. Now search for 343 in the 41's table. So 369 is greater than 343. So we will take 41 multiplied by 8, 325, which is less than 343. So in the quotients place I will write 8 and I will subtract 343 by 325. I get the remainder as 18. So the quotient is 208 and the remainder is 18. So 8543 divided by 41. Quotient is 208 and remainder is 18. Now let us solve the fifth sum. 2034 divided by 43. First make the column for rough work and we will write the table for 43 as 2034 is divided by 43. So we will write 43's table in the rough work. 43 ones are 43, 43 twos are 86, 43 threes are 129, 43 fours are 172, 43 fives are 215, 43 sixes are 258, 43 sevens are 301, 43 eights are 344, 43 nines are 387 and 43 tens is 430. Put the division sign. 43 divided by 2034. Search for 203 in the 43's table. 215 is greater than 203. So we will take 43 multiplied by 4 is 172. So in the quotients place I will write 4 and I will subtract 203 with 172. I get the answer as 31. Now I will take the 4 down, so I get the value as 314. So now 301 is smaller than 314. So I will write in the quotients place 7 and I will subtract 314 with 301. I get the answer as 13. So the quotient is 47 and the remainder is 13. 2034 divided by 43, quotient is 47 and remainder is 13. Let's see the last sum in this video. Sum number 6. 56,741 divided by 26. So first I will make the rough work column. I will name it as RW rough work and I will write the table of 26. So 26 ones are 26, 26 twos are 52, 26 threes are 78, 26 fours are 104, 26 fives are 130, 26 sixes are 156, 26 sevens are 182, 26 eights are 208, 26 nines are 234 and 26 tens is 260. 56741 divided by 26. Search for 56 in the 26 table. Not there. 52, that is 26 multiplied by 2 is 52. So I will write 2 in the quotient's place and I will subtract 56 by 52. So I get the answer as 4. Now I will carry down 7. So I get the value as 47. Now I will search for 47, but 52 is greater than 47. So I will subtract it by 26. So 26 ones are 26. 1 in the quotient's place and subtract 47 by 26. So I get the answer as 21. Now I will take the 4, carry down 4. So you will get the place value as 214. Now search for 214 in the 26 table. 234 is greater than 214. So we will take 26 eights is 208. In the quotient's place write 8. So I get the answer as 6. Now I will take that 1 down. So I get the value as 61. Search for 61. So 52 is less than 61. So in the quotient's place write 2 and subtract 61 by 52. I get the answer as 9. So the quotient is 2182 and the remainder is 9. 56,741 divided by 26 is quotient 2182 and remainder is 9. This is the last part of the worksheet, multiple choice questions. As nowadays the exams are going to be held online, so this will definitely help you with your exams. The multiple choice questions. Solve and let me know in the comment section below. Did you like today's video?